Buckle up, adventure seekers, because we're about to get behind the wheel of the future. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner Hybrid is here, and it's not just a facelift. It's a complete overhaul, a revolution in design and performance ready to take you further, faster, and greener than ever before. Forget the boxy silhouette of the past. The 2025 4Runner Hybrid boasts a bold, modern look with chiseled lines, a wider stance, and a more aerodynamic profile. It's still instantly recognizable as a 4Runner, but with a shot of adrenaline, like your favorite hiking boots with a hidden jetpack. The 5th generation Toyota 4Runner has, as you may have observed, been on the market for some time. Given that it was initially released in late 2009, it is evident that it is beginning to exhibit signs of its advanced age. In comparison to more recent midsize SUVs, the present-day Toyota 4Runner has a lot of flaws, such as bad fuel efficiency, an antiquated interior, an obnoxious wind noise, and a rough ride, despite its dependability, capacity, and widespread appeal among off-road fans around the globe. Also, it could be a little tough to get in and out due to the high step-in height. A design to everyone's relief. Toyota has heard the rumblings and will be updating the 4Runner for 2024. An all-new powertrain lineup, redesigned architecture, a reworked exterior, and a plush interior with cutting-edge technology and premium materials are all in the works for the upcoming 6th generation 4Runner, which promises to be an exciting update to the popular SUV. Holding out for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner is certainly worth it, with all these exciting advancements on the way. As part of its transition to the TNGF platform for its body-on-frame trucks, Toyota intends to equip the mid-size SUV with its current generation engine, which will be one of the most noticeable upgrades to the 2025 4Runner under the hood. Engine. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma's turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is likely to be the base model's power plant. The maximum output from this engine is 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque. Furthermore, a 4Runner Hybrid is projected to be introduced by Toyota in 2025, in accordance with its larger goal of providing a hybrid choice throughout its entire lineup by that year. In this respect, the 2.4-liter Tacoma engine's hybrid Force Max version is thought to be superior. The 2024 Toyota 4Runner has 286 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, while this hybrid engine has 326 horsepower and 187 additional pound-feet of torque. Not only do these new engines have more power than the current 4Runner, but they are also more efficient. The current model offers poor fuel economy, with the EPA claiming only 16 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway. But improved gas mileage is on the way with the next 6th generation 4Runner. Fuel economy estimates for the 4Runner, when powered by the 2.4-liter Force Max hybrid engine, are expected to be comparable to those of the Tacoma, which is predicted to yield 24 mpg in the city, 30 mpg on the highway, and 27 mpg combined. There has been no official word on the base engine's fuel efficiency just yet, although it will likely be better than the current V6. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner Hybrid isn't just an SUV. It's a statement, it's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, performance, and sustainability. It's a vehicle that dares you to explore further, climb higher, and push the boundaries of what's possible. So, are you ready to rewrite the rules of adventure? Then get behind the wheel of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Hybrid and experience the future today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trails.